A quick midnight snack and then it's back to bed.
What was that, Miss Sally?
Sorry, that was just my stomach making all this ruckus. Sorry. I'm getting a little bit hungry here.
Goodness gracious, Miss Sally. Your stomach's been louder than the bear hunting in the woods. So, I have to get you something. I'll be right back. I think I hear something too. Sally? Was that your stomach too?
Yes. How'd you know, Diesel Dan?
I've heard it too, like a mile away. Just calm down, Miss Sally. You just have to calm down. What was that?
Did you hear that, Diesel Dan? That was my stomach. I'm starving here. Diesel Dan, do you mind getting me a snack for me, please?
Sure thing, Miss Sally.
Diesel Dan? I think I'm getting a little bit hungry here.
I just got something that could cheer you up.
I think all this ice cream talk kind of made me hungry. Me too, Diesel Dan. We have to find something to eat. Oh.
Sally? What was that?
I'm sorry, Diesel Dan. It was my stomach. I really wanted something to eat real bad. How about a cheeseburger? Cheeseburger. Ah. It's so tasty. Ah.
I know, Sally. We just have to be patient in order to get the food.
Oh, but I'm hungry.
Yeah, Miss Sally, you gotta learn how to wait and be patient.
Oh.
Hold on, Sally. I'll get you something to eat. I promise. I know your stomach won't wait longer than that. I just have to get you something instead. What was that, Miss Sally?
That was my stomach. I really need something to eat really badly.
Let me ask my grandpa if he has anything.
Oh man, I guess I'm getting a pretty bit hungry here. I wonder if there's any food around here. I guess I'm getting a pretty bit hungry here. I don't want to miss out on dinner or anything. Man, that was fun, Diesel Dan.
Yep, certainly is, Miss Sally. Certainly it is.
All this frolicking around kind of made me hungry. Diesel Dan?
Yes, Miss Sally?
Do you have any frog legs so I can eat? I'm kind of hungry here.
Sure thing, Miss Sally. I'll go catch you some frog legs.
All this swimming around kind of made me hungry. I gotta go get something to eat real quick, that's for sure.